guys, you are watching Fadl Fishing Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Today I am coming one of the best beach. It have a lot of rocks. Then look at the downside, and there is a good place for swimming as well. And I have to go on the other side first. I have a look, and there is some fishing spots. Look at this side, and still I keep my car there. Need to walking a little bit on the other side, and from here we can't fishing because it's a long way and it's very deep also. Yeah, because it is not safe, and I need to checking which area is very safe to going down, because if it is not safe I need to go from that way again and going down and come from this way and good fishing, because this is a new place for me. This is my first time I came here. I just heard from someone, they tell me, hi guys, the other side is very dangerous because I need to go from this way down, then after I start some fishing. Look at the water, it is very beautiful for swimming. Then there's a big rocks both of sides. I need to go and very safely fishing there. Then there's no sand, only just rock. Guys, I'm down already, and look at the rocks. Guys, I'm ready to start fishing now. I need to use 2 rods now as I'm starting, and 1 small rod and 1 big rod. Then I will have a look. Second rod. And there's the place. It is very my best. There is no fish, and hi guys, you are watching. I'm spending 5 hours here, but I'm not catching any single fish there. And this is my first time I came here, but it is driving 2 hours 20 minutes from Adelaide. Then now I'm going home. Okay, don't forget to subscribe the channel Fadl Fishing Adventure. See you in the next video. Bye.